channel, guys and girls. Today I will show you a super simple cake you can make in few seconds if you sit and need something for your coffee. Come on, follow me to the kitchen. We start right now. I use this big glass bowl so you can follow how much I put in. First of all, normal flour, and I put 3 spoons of that. I don't want it too much sweet, so I only put 2 spoons of sugar for the chocolate taste. 3 spoons of chocolate powder. That we mix around. I want it to be a little fluffy, so I put a half small spoon of baking soda. And now the time. 4 spoons. Do I say 4 spoons? That's wrong. 3 spoons of you can use butter or whatever you want. I use margarine here, and I put 3 spoons of the margarine inside the milk. So I only have to warm it up so we can mix it with the other parts. So the milk and the butter is warm here and ready to mix inside. And so after it's all mixed, so I put it up here in this small bowl here. Normally I will mix it in the small bowl here, but I'm not to do today, so you cannot follow how much to put in. You can see that's how it looks. After that, 1 minute 60 seconds in the microwave. So let us put the cake into the microwave. For 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it's finished. And now here the cake is finished. Let us check it. It's good baked and it's nice and soft. Fantastic cake. And I like when I have the sweet cake here. So I want to put a little sour cream in. So I have a little. I will see if I can make it now. It's on camera. So I have the sweet and I have a little sour. Here from the cake, and because the cake are much warm, it's melting fast. Yeah, fantastic combination. Chocolate cake in 30 minutes for your afternoon coffee, for a snack or whatever you want. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so others can have benefit from the video too. Thanks for this time, guys and girls. See you in the next video. Bye for now.